Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out a new mascara from Benefit and we're gonna see if this is all marketing and a gimmick or if it's actually really good. There's a lot of marketing behind this. There's quite a bit. This is called the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. I'm like, what? What? I'm not kidding. I had a magnet. I was sitting here playing with my lashes trying to see if like they would move my lashes around. It doesn't. Just forewarning, it doesn't move my lashes. But on the box it reads extreme length, powerful lift, 40% longer, extender brush with magnetically charged core. Okay. Draws lashes out to extreme lengths. And it's got like this little picture of like little lightning bolts coming from the inside of the core of the wand. And I'm just like, okay. It says 36-hour lengthening, won't smudge or flake. I have had this on for, I want to say about 4 hours. And I will let you guys know. I'll put it at the end of the video and just like put a little note or something in there because I'm editing this video after I edit this video because I was playing with this bad boy today. So that video is going to be up first. If you're curious about this, look, I'll leave it in the description box. Anywho, back to the mascara. Let's open her up. This is what it looks like. It even has a magnet on the top. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. I actually kind of like the packaging of it. And then it's the They're Real like style. If you remember that mascara, the They're Real mascara, it wasn't my favorite. I used to joke around saying, of course they're real, they don't look fake. But I mean, it wasn't, I don't know. I don't think I've really fallen in love with the Benefit mascara. But I've had quite a few people requesting for me to test this out, and I thought, why not? So here we are. Let me get into all of the information, and then I'll get into the demo, and then I'll get into my thoughts. This is really weird. I went to look at the size of the mascara, because there's 2 different sizes, and on the packaging and on the Benefit Cosmetics website, it says that it has 9 grams or 0.32 ounces, but then on Sephora, it says that it has 3 ounces or 8.5 grams. I don't know who's telling the truth here. What does it say on the box? It says 9, and that's what it says on the Benefit. So I'm just going to go with the Benefit website. And there's another size that's the mini. It is $15, and on the Sephora website, it says that it's 16 ounces or 4.3 grams. So anywho, you can get it for $27 or for $15. Now, as I mentioned, it's a 36-hour lengthening mascara with a magnetic force. Flexible, lightweight, builds easily, won't smudge or flake. The wand is one of those stabby wands. The ones that will either be really great or will stab you in the eye or somewhere in between. And I'll tell you what I think about it after the demo. But it's basically the same width all the way up. The tip has a slight roundness to it, but there's no bristles on the tip. All right, let's go ahead, zoom in, and I'm going to apply this to one eye so that you guys can see the difference between the two, with and without mascara. I'm gonna go in for another dip. I am finding it just a little bit difficult to get on this inner corner where my lashes are. How do you guys think my lashes look? I gotta admit, I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. I do like the way my lashes look. I think it's kind of in between volume and length. I definitely get the length and I get a medium-sized volume, so I don't feel like I'm really sacrificing anywhere. If I had to say right off the bat, like just today, if I would pick this one or my current go-to, the new Bite Beauty, I would still stick with this one because this one doesn't hurt me. And I do get a little bit more volume out of it. This is a little bit drier. So what I found was I had the one dip, which I would say taking it out is one dip, and then I dipped back in one more time. So 2 dips, and I was able to build quite a bit. However, as I'm building, it feels like it's a drier mascara, like it was drying up a little bit more as I was trying to go, so you kind of have to go a little quicker. And I'm somebody who loves putting on mascara. I don't love to have to put in effort. I don't feel like I had to put in effort with this mascara, other than to make sure that I think that if I was going back and forth between the 2 eyes, that it could be a problem, because it does feel like it's drying up just a little bit as I am putting on the layers, which is fine, but I would just work one eye at a time instead of going like back and forth like I normally would do, except for the fact that I was just putting it on one eye so you guys could see the difference. Now, I put this on the lower lash line. I didn't show that on camera, but I did on this eye, and I got it all on my skin down here. I had to wait for it to dry, and it didn't want to come all of the way off. So on this side, I went ahead and went in with my extended play. The one thing there's 2 things I don't like about the mascara, and that is it's really hard. I don't know why. I have other mascaras, and even the Bite Beauty one, it's bigger on the end, but it was really hard. Maybe it's because there's no bristle. I don't know. Let me look at this one has an hourglass tip. But all the way down there, I feel like the bristles go just a little bit further. This one, it might be that the bristles stop a little too soon, and it's a little bit more difficult to get right in here. And especially, I like to go on the back side of my lashes so I can get all of the length. I do use a lash serum. So in case anybody is wondering, my lashes are real, but I use a lash serum. It's always linked in the description box in case you guys are wondering. So I'm very picky about mascaras anyway. I remember before I used my lash serum, when I had shorter lashes, I loved different mascaras than what I do now. I like this. I don't love the pokey wand. The wand is a little, like, it's in between. I can tolerate it. I will tolerate it. But it is a little pokey, and when I was trying to get on the inner corner, I had already lined my inner rim, because I like to do that before I do my mascara so that I don't have to like try and push up on my lashes. So it actually removed my liner, my inner rim liner on the inner corner, and it did it on both sides, so then I had to go back in and add it back. So it pokes at that area of your waterline just a little bit, not as much as some other ones that I'm like tearing up because I'm like stabbing my eyeball, but it does just a tiny bit, not enough to make it to where I'm not going to use it. My only concern with this mascara is that it could potentially dry up very quickly just based on how it went on today, but I like the way my lashes look. I think this is the first benefit. I could be wrong, but I feel like this is the first benefit mascara that I'm like, okay, I would use this. I would use this. And if it doesn't dry up, I could potentially repurchase. I do like the way that my lashes look. I like the way the Bite Beauty one feels much better. It's just easier to go on. It does not have that stabby effect, and it's just a little bit more volume. But this is still a good one. I still like it. I do think there's a lot of gimmicky marketing, whatever, going into this, but I do think it's a good mascara. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed my rambling and my demo of this mascara. Let me know if you've tried it, if you like it, if you liked it on me, and if not, still let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.